How's it going, guys? It's Money Manny with HTX TV. And in today's video, I am going over, this is actually my first cryptocurrency video talking about all the different types of scenarios, Bitcoin news as well. So I was actually chatting with one of my Facebook group members, and I've been dealing with a lot of stock market information, and I also have been actually thinking about doing this video for a little while. They asked, they were looking for it, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna go and do that video today. And so today I'm gonna go over some prices of a few main coins, and then it's actually a jam-packed video. It's tons of cryptocurrency news. I'm gonna go all over that, read it, and then kind of discuss it a little bit on the side. Outside of reading it. So, and again, before I get into the video, hit that get subscribe button, and get subscribed before we go further. And then after you do hit the subscribe button, put down in the comments, I subscribed, and me personally or somebody here at HTX TV will definitely send you a personal comment back, noticing that you did get subscribed. Here we want to keep everything nice and personable and keep it great for the viewers and current subscribers. I welcome you guys back. Here we go. So the Bitcoin price, worst case scenario now is they're saying it's 7,000 on the low end to buy on the dip. 9,000 would be ideal, but the dip opportunity says, 7,000 soon to form Bitcoin's untested 200-week moving average. So, alrighty, and moving along. Bitcoin hitting 7,000 is now the worst case scenario. They said that yesterday, September 23rd. In the latest episode on Mark Pulse YouTube series, Vay said he was looking for a Bitcoin price to bottom at 9,000. And also because of all the election stuff's going on, election stuff's going on, the pandemic situation right now. I believe until that election is, figured out, I think right now people are just lying in they're a little uncertain, and I think once that hits, I believe that's most likely, and it could even be right after the first of the year. It could be in the month of December. It could skyrocket again, possibly even a bullish market. So Bitcoin has maintained $10,000 in support this week, but has so far failed to reclaim its higher levels after its fall from 11,000 several days ago. If we break it down, I think 9,000 is a very good time to get the buy in the dip. But they said worst case scenario, the shortest dip would be 7,000. Even if you did buy it at 9,000 and it went 2,000 under, most likely they're saying it'll still rise above that regardless. Bitcoin is focused on 10,000 and away, which a bullish compared to its bottom of 3,600 in March of last year, but less convincing versus recent highs of 12,500, reclaiming 12,000. However, and for May's, the sky is the limit, which I believe so as well. Downside risk may be more than 35%. As Cointelegraph reported, analysts are forming consistently more bullish prognosis for Bitcoin, even if short-term price action contains further downside. This week, quant analyst Plan B highlighted the cryptocurrency's 200-week moving average, which has never been broken as support, as proof that a realistic price floor is now 6,700. Next month, the level will increase to sit in line with Vay's 7,000 prediction. According to Cointelegraph Markets analyst Michael Vandelpop, however, for the time being, Bitcoin has avoided losing the support that would open up the prospect of retesting the CME futures gap of 9,600. Still in play from July, the gap is the last noticeable short-term price draw at lower levels from futures, with the only other lying higher than 16,000. All right. So right now, Bitcoin, I'm just pulled it up on my laptop here. The price right now is $10,658.54. It's at a plus 3.85 increase, which is pretty good. And then the next coin that I'm looking at here is Ethereum. Next coin that it's priced here is Ethereum. It's at $346.50, and that's a plus 7.28% in the green. So Litecoin price is at $44.97, and that's priced at it's going up at a 3.76%. My next coin is Ripple. Ripple's at 23 cents, which is at a plus 3.3%. EOS is at 2.53. $2.53 and a plus 3.69% increase. Those are a few coin prices we're looking at. Alrighty, and back to the news article. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that, and then kind of just chat it up here a few minutes and wrap it up. Coinbase wallet users targeted by new Android malware. Wow. The alien doesn't care about taking over the earth, but it may steal your bitcoins or dollars. So they're basically saying here, I guess they're saying to watch out for Coinbase wallet, I guess, with Android malware. A newly discovered Trojan known as Alien is attacking crypto apps on Android phones, including Coinbase, Blockchain.com, and Luno. The new malware strain is based on the notorious Cerberus Trojan, which wreaked havoc in the Google Play Store until the team responsible became complacent. Lack of continued distribution allowed Google Play project to almost completely eradicate Cerberus by August of 2020. And it says Alien targets 226 Android apps, mostly geared toward the banking industry, in addition to stealing users' credentials. The malware can install and remove applications from the infected device and even intercept notifications. Wow. That is very interesting. Most importantly, it offers a notification sniffer, allowing it to get the content of all notifications on the infected device, and a rat remote access Trojan feature by abusing the TeamViewer application, meaning that the threat actors can perform fraud from the victim's device. Wow. The choice of Coinbase and Blockchain.com is understandable, as these two are the most popular crypto apps. It is less clear why the hackers targeted the much smaller Luno exchange, which was recently acquired by the Digital Currency Group, yet omitted, so as far as we know, other industry giants like Binance. Okay. All right, and here's some more crypto news. Israeli regulators proposed Bitcoin be taxed as a currency, not an asset. So it looks like So 4 members of the Israeli legislature are recommending that digital currencies be treated more like fiat or for tax purposes. Oh, that's good. According to a report from Israeli news outlet Global's Knesset members MK Obed, 4, Yavenji Zoba, Yuli, and Alex proposed on September 22nd that the government body amend existing tax laws so that digital currencies like Bitcoin would not be subject to capital gains taxes. Under current income tax policy, Bitcoin is treated as an asset and taxed 25% whenever individuals convert their coins into fiat, or 15% for short-term lenders. The regulatory reality in Israel is not adapted to the existing reality in the field, stated the bill. Digital currencies will continue to be a growth engine that allow the Israeli high-tech industry to flourish and develop. Should the proposal become law, Digital currencies could be taxed at a substantially lower rate in 2019. Individuals in Israel will income with income under 75,000, roughly 21,700 as of this writing, were only taxed at 10%. MK4 said the government body should consider blockchain technology as a solution for digital payments options during the pandemic. Just today, Knesset approved another national lockdown starting on Friday for more than 7,000 people were diagnosed with the COVID-19 in Israel within a 24-hour period. So it is possible to promote digital payment options due to the social distance that has been forced on us, Forrest said. When the economic future is unclear, we need to give growth engines a boost. All right, excuse me a second, gonna grab some coffee. So if you can see, when they're talking about this in Israel already, they're already endorsing the digital currency model because of what's going on, and not just from the pandemic side, but also from the general taxing side. You see, they're willing to tax it. In general, governments, as long as they can tax something, usually at the end of the day, they're a business. They're out there to make money. You pay your part, and then that's how it becomes legal. So I'm going to read this last little part and then wrap it up here. The bureaucracy has approved to be a major roadblock for digital currencies in Israel, despite the recent growth of blockchains and crypto firms. Pro-crypto regulators have had an ongoing battle since the government declared in 2018 it would treat crypto as an asset for tax purposes. Okay. An Israeli court ruled that an investor had to pay capital gains tax on $830,000 in Bitcoin, arguing currencies in the country had to have some physical manifestation under current law. So, and actually the U.S. government recently put out a form that is also saying that they're looking at, or they're going ahead and having cryptocurrency as a, you guys might know this or not, they're already coming out with they're going to acknowledge it as a way that it can be taxed as well. So everybody's starting to endorse basically cryptocurrency in general, not necessarily just Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is technically the highest volume valued right now. So, all right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to go over some general information. I could probably do a longer video. There's more information. I really want to dissect it, pick out current key things. But similar to the stock market, from me looking at the cryptocurrency market, it seems like what's going on with current events, with the elections and the pandemic, it does affect the price, and also with partnerships with companies endorsing it as well. So we'll keep you up to date. I'm looking at doing some daily videos, and then definitely adding in the cryptocurrency aspect. So, all right, that's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll chat with you soon. Have a good one.